What is a cat's third eyelid called? The answer is C. Haw. Which breed is hairless? The answer is A. Sphinx. What is a group of cats called? The answer is C. Clowder. Which cat breed has no tail? The answer is A. Manx. What is the fastest cat breed? The answer is B. Egyptian Mau. How many toes do most cats have? The answer is A. 18. What is a male cat called? The answer is C. Tom. What is a cat's main diet? The answer is B. Carnivore. Which breed has folded ears? The answer is C. Scottish Fold. What organ helps cats detect pheromones? The answer is A. Jacobson's organ. Share your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more great quizzes.